Hey guys, Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel here at Ourimbah. In request for no one, I don't think anyway. Here we've got a pair of NR classes parked at the platform. Got V13 passing platform 2. Oscar H8 arriving into platform 1, Central Sydney Terminal service. Got V44 and V11. These two are passing platform 1 bound for Central. Here we've got H1 arriving into platform 2 here at Ourimbah. Newcastle service stopping all stations. H1 is now departing Ourimbah, platform number 2 for Newcastle. Leading car OD6902. So we've got V8 passing platform 2. Newcastle bound. Sydney Terminal service run by H6, now arriving into platform number 1. And while we're walking to crash this train, no, that's not my intention. To catch this train, I'll wrap the vlog up. Thanks guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. See you all next time.